Coffee with the Mighty Miracleman. Time. Low carb is killing you. Why though? I thought low carb was good. Hold up there, there's new research that has come out. I'll get into that coming up. Low carb diets can have both positive and negative aspects, and whether they are bad depends on various factors, including individual health goals, medical conditions, and how the diet is implemented. While low carb diets can lead to weight loss and improved blood sugar control for some people, they can also have potential drawbacks. Some of these unfortunate drawbacks include nutrient deficiencies. Cutting out carbs can lead to deficiencies in certain nutrients found in carbohydrate-rich foods such as fiber, vitamins, and minerals. Also, some individuals may experience digestive issues such as constipation or other diets that lack sufficient fiber from carbs. Ketosis is also a consequence of low carb diets, especially very low carb diets, which lead to a state called ketosis, where the body primarily burns fat for energy. While this can be beneficial for some people, it may cause side effects like bad breath, fatigue, and nausea. Blech. Another drawback, number 4 of age, is long-term sustainability. Low carb diets can be challenging to maintain over the long term due to restrictions on certain foods, potentially leading to an unhealthy relationship with food. And the Mighty Miracleman, we advocate for limiting carbs, yes, but you can still enjoy your favorite foods. Just go to the link in the description and get your free nutrition guide. Number 5 is it could have an impact on your exercise performance. Low carb diets can be challenging to maintain. Carbohydrates being the body's main source of energy for intense physical activities. It leads to decreases in athletic performance, particularly for activities requiring quick bursts of energy, such as strength training or sprints. Number 6, the social and psychological effects strictly adhering to a low-carb diet can make social situations and dining out way more difficult. Additionally, some individuals may experience feelings of deprivation or frustration, affecting their psychological well-being. Number 7, cholesterol levels. While some people see improvements in cholesterol levels on low-carb diets, others may experience an increase in LDL cholesterol, which is associated with an increased risk of heart disease. LDL allows the HDL healthy cholesterol. Number 8, and the final one, and limited food choices. While some people find it easy to go low carb, low carb diets are known for being restrictive, especially of certain food groups, which might result in monotony and a lack of variety in the diet, which can lead to nutrient deficiencies if you're not careful. So keep that in mind.